enti and is impending for Kaja Supreme Court say omochi egu ho atemo no modi aba no omu fa nya adwuma sete ni nyina say Supreme Court akwashi the delegate voting system na yet choose internal party executive, especially the presidential candidate and the parliamentary candidate no. Supreme Court akwashi that system no tell say yes o see ebiemu emma every party member bia with a good standing etim eto aba ni bi eno ana NDC penifo there be saa seven party Supreme Court entimi kada seven nchire omu Supreme Court entwen na omu so ento omu abanwe ansa na mrawe omu de aye adwuma cause omu nye entum I Penyah block me that mess was any demo over like if you do not have my bro subscribe button some click beneficial corner flags update number to the wide and the mama e comment section over so no she force enya bia hwe no say over Ghana ha no mo na say okọ the various political parties ni mu a se ba se ye internal elections bia ye was system bia ye apply that system ya to the delegate voting system ni nyina say ye wo nipa ko bi wo party ni mu a omu na emrade mo omu kwan say omu nkoto oba enkoyi party no mu akanifo omu na from delegate no into that system we apply from 1982 ebesi ne eno na every single party in Ghana here no say omu ko omu internal premises so a eno no mu isu e choose omu executives whether national level, constituency level or branch level eno no mu isu e choose omu executives na sad we na omu isu no ye fa bi say koko season eduru ho no mu a se ba se internal elections bia beda ho no e ya delegate fuwe omu fanyanza kwan so e de jeje politicians no muska because a delegate any go to your nurse e bia obekọ session bi kura ne bia delegate ho no mo obi bia be 200 it is 200 no uni wo prayer ye ne go akoto enye all the voters a delegate e bia 200 it is 20 say bia obo hye wo mu because bia say wo ama we ska obi be ma obi 1000 cedis e bia nipa 200 no obi betima kai 10 million e de ahye delegate bia ansem na delegate no akoto aba no e de ama no e di say wo no yan say wo ntua de ne forget it about unya, especially when it comes to parliamentary candidate elections and presidential candidate elections e duru ho no mo de a sika de ye vo sika tuo pa e dey onfa no koko season saa na ekoso but emwa Ghana so emwa ye enti eye on the 26th of January 2026 and nipa me nsa bi o hwe dan se da bi baby ade Ghana aircon emwa ye enti no yamfa asem ne nkọ court na yankọpe bibi ensachire bi every Supreme Court ho no mo enti nipa me nsa no eye Professor Kwabena Frimpong Boateng ye former minister for environment and afi Dr. Nyaho Tamakulu ye founding member of the MPP party and afi Dr. Christine Amakunuama ono se former minister for lands and forestry nipa me nsa wi ekope lawyer ba kudi omu lawyer no osaje for Oliver Bakavoma wo omkopen so Oliver yesra akodi enim ko Supreme Court na yemfa ensem weni enkoto court enim na court enyina achi na wonyina ne two weeks enkwase the delegate system na ye use any vote when it comes to internal primaries within a party no yenkwase every honomo lawyer Bakavoma edi omanim ewom da sem ekodan Supreme Court e Supreme Court etra 26 January no otushie 10th June got na so and Supreme Court edesha say ni or their term final judgment no ebeba on 29th of July 2026 it enra edesha go PM Supreme Court ho no bi and the final judgment eba ejatemwafo enson and etena asem no so I say Chief Justice Paul Bafo na odi makote no oka ho bi is omukambo mu a atemwafo akukudam enson and etena asem no so to mu do mu nsuko pense we so work here ya 10 na say because one say ye use delegate system na breeding money politics just say obi beto a o man niska and some of what indirectly no you are buying the person even if the person knows say you don't qualify because say obenya kakranti no because for sure go kromoti woto a onya hwe intene obenya kwansi a na obeje ato aba enti no eye money politics and two koko season culture na ye kan wasem because e duro no mu a omu koko na so delegate ni obi e peska every omu a aspiring candidate no ho no enti ema pressure crowd be that candidate no so obitimi ko je posin obitimi ko je loan na o de abepre because when to ya to ma ana biem so no lack of accountability so people kire mu say because of way system na dey choose no delegate ebetima ko choose candidate bi na ebi crowd within party ni crowd no dodo na empe no eba sa ye ko general elections a party members ni beto atia ndo eye omo leader but omo beto atia omo nto anase bi omo beto atia because say emfiri omo pem e na choose ono no bedi omo anim e di Supreme Court etirem say ne sa system ye nyimfiri ho no mo na eba sa ye miemu na obi biala owo that party ni mu a owo good standing tell say otwa ni deals kama or your card bearer member or voters ID card onya mfumso bi a party na atwe na so say no bakon owo good standing eduru ho ayema kwan ema sa no kofuko no omu nyina so nto aba ne bi etiti constituency say ye pe parliamentary candidate for constituency say bia ko officer south any MPP member be a was officer south hanu no Supreme Court say ye mam na omu nyina intimate to aba ne bi so that ombe make the right choice ene obanka say be yi nipa general election no omu feel say ombe tima to aba no e de ama no ama Supreme Court the judgment we eba enra na sati no de ba ye no ana media say ebi mani age say oh e nice e be boa.
I believe the justices of the Supreme Court have been listening to our advocacy over time, that monetization in our politics is the bane of the corrupt behavior we've seen. And we have posited and grounded our evidence in facts, which they agree totally with. And so for me, this is a landmark judgment that this country must applaud the justices of the Supreme Court for. It gives them clarity that every card-bearing member who is in good standing has an equal right to then elect who becomes an MP or a presidential candidate. I think they couldn't have done a better job than what they did. And in the anti-corruption space, I believe it's going to be one of the very greatest judgments we have obtained, and we are very grateful to the court for that. And going forward, it is our opinion that we need to, as part of the advocacy, continue to engage to ensure that we are clear on implementation, because they've given a 1-year grace period and also validated whatever has happened before. So it's for all of us to ensure that what the court has done for us, we ensure it's implemented effectively.
The political parties, and particularly for the NPP, they've complained about cost. Who bears the cost?
I believe the court was also very clear in that by pronouncing that the Electoral Commission should do it in such a way that it ensures that the cost is minimized. And so now, if we want to, it's for us to choose. The courts have clearly indicated the way to go. Do we want to do it in such a way that everybody has access to vote? It could be done in a way the Electoral Commission deems fit. It could even be online like it's done in other jurisdictions. So let's see how that rolls out. Cost is an element, there would always be cost, but then we believe that the issues of the universal suffrage and people who have opportunity and belong being part of the association has been clarified, and that's very good for us.
I think these three statesmen were really looking at removing those cost elements, cost of giving bribes to, I wouldn't want to call it bribe at this point, facilitating delegates moving to voting centers, giving them what we call TNT, which we all know is beyond what we call TNT and all that. So I think that this, if targeted properly, will rather reduce the cost on political parties, because if everyone is coming to vote, facilitating it will be very difficult. And I think it is a good decision, and we shouldn't criticize it too much. We must just work on ourselves and get a better deal for the people of Ghana.
Ama ebetwitwa ne bi so corruption na ade ebe front but ade wa ko so ho ne say ebe sa abo political parties ne ka because of here say delegate system na number of ballots have print kakra bi para say cost ebe come no kakra bi but say be any general say any card bearing member na say any party member in a good standing can vote here. You better number of people in the constituency almost never their printed ballot papers. And never be never cost so kind of because you better ban at every constituency, at every polling station, you better to be because they said more or less as a general election day. Obi aba to be into no polling station bia no was say your culture about honey into as the car and enam. One disadvantage I want no the car enam e ma sadu kwan enwa honorable little ebetrem say if Supreme Court aim at putting a stop to money policy and say money crisis there any to know that this is not the best way.
Originally, I wanted to bring an act, a private member's motion, to make sure that we stop monocracy. And I've been working on it for some time now, in line with what the SADC regions, so Zimbabwe, South Africa, all those countries, what they do. You can't do that. You can't do what we do here. You can't carry a TV and give to somebody. You cannot even give money beyond a certain quantum. You can't do that. You are not allowed to do that. Okay, so as a candidate, you cannot just wake up and start dishing out money. Someone will come and say, "This candidate gave me." The moment it were to be said that somebody gave you 5,000, it was from this person, that person will be disqualified, and in fact, you can go to jail for it. So I wanted to bring legislation on it, but of course, the Supreme Court has taken the wind out of all of us ourselves. But the point I am making is that expanding it to make everybody vote will not stop monocracy. In fact, it will increase it. That I want to let you know. Stopping monocracy is legislation and enforcement of that legislation. That's the only way that can stop monocracy. So if it is stopping monocracy, that's why they are doing that. I'm sorry, it's not going to stop monocracy. Unless somebody has not gone for an election. If you've gone for an election, you will know that it's going to get worse than before. So those who have the intention to contest parliamentary and presidential elections, they should prepare very well. Otherwise, I'm sorry, they will lose and lose badly.
I say Adiwa Ebano. MP for no wedding carry omo presidential race no omo query ama omo got to and delegate and got to ye omo eto edema ba omia ama omo awie but NDC for no omo nyanye omo de enti eno ene nsime ba anro ano NDC for ni bi abekeke against ruling na Supreme Court edeba ye no omo Deputy General Secretary Honorable Mustafa Gwande we ene nsem a okan o kiremu say Supreme Court entwen Emma almost knew more promise anyway, and Sana Supreme Court Eddie at table we are banyas are now party. MPP are told they really party. O Montias yeda.
Na ne judgment as Supreme Court my no. Eya debia. Enye adefo for Emma NDC. And maybe I came. Yes, try see it. Yes, I said the bear. You be expand the participation. Na ya problem when you die. Nti sadi wenye adia eye new ema NDC. Nembom said the Supreme Court kan no. The ho so anso e bebre. Ebi na amount for astatia omo ka no. Yenso kuno ewo mpanyifo. Asei ne betra nkunya. Na yama a lawyer for chichim said the Supreme Court a bua 75 Nigina Sobia na oma chichim and sana as a party no yadi be betuja na yadi tuja na a judgment no musopa and so back when say yabe election na a becker party elections and answer enka home. Ufe judgment na obehu sadi no na to so e bit say why e no betua se ekoye sa election na political party na betua na answer ban na betua Supreme Court na akasa the Supreme Court a share there why na betua because ya time ya ade no na ya na etua ya de etua electoral commission kra ma na hwe abato so mayen enti se ne Supreme Court aka aban hye hu se yanko bi no bi antwaba wan na betua hoka ehun so anso ye sure say ebenya hu moaye ewo judgment no emu
it's now making reference to say NPP ayi omo flag bearer dada and the once I chemuno and sana emre we ya na say gina ye we yesi it doesn't affect
MPP before the be boka na MPP before the omo maka
and you know
you go register candidate back
san emra no e ka no ma yeti ase say the one ye chemuno de ka no and you know enti modi enti party be hye say bo betumi dia ye dwuma eye flag bearer no abato ni mu a sanity
that ye be ye dwuma o ye fa nye dwuma o this a party no transfer because at the old canon the MPP before the kind of you know more is almost old album system. I didn't think I ever register candidate back on the mocha, not MPP before the so there are a lot of implications. This is the medical car, in a transfer, not party, not near boo boo more. A lawyer furniture at the Metia fair. Near will be a better bunting.
Uno mo ya adwene anase ugina Assembly Supreme Court e de ba ya no uja Supreme Court echi obetuma kire wa adwene e de amame e wo comment section ahai Penyah Block Media akra